So, hopefully you were able to take and install our Android Studio as laid out under things to do this week. And now we're going to work on our assignment. This is my story and I'm sticking to it. I had a dream the other night and all of a sudden this app popped up and I quickly got up, sketched on a piece of paper sitting next to my nightstand, and this is what we're going to be doing in class today. Well, that's my story. It's going to look something like this over here when we're completed. We talked last week about creating activities with pre-built objects in them. For example, this is an edit text, they call it, and another edit text, and then a button, and then a text view. These are pre-written for us in Android Studio, fortunately, so we don't have to rewrite them each time we create a new application. These are the objects here listed once again that we're going to be using. Here's kind of a legend of the different objects and the different parameters that we're going to set for each one. How does this actual object, how is it constrained in my activity, and things like text and names and things like that. And here's some code that we're going to be writing. First of all, we're going to create some aliases. To reach into our application and be able to get information from and set information to any of these objects, we have to create an alias. For example, this edit text, we're going to create an alias to that, and through that alias that's connected to this edit text, we're going to be able to extract information. For example, what is the number that's typed into here? And then, after creating aliases for the button, we're going to create a click listener. A click listener is something that sits inside your application and waits for somebody to click on a button or something like that. And then inside that, we're going to create a method that's going to create a couple more aliases so we can get information and set information. We're going to do a little calculation, and then we're actually going to put that piece of information back into this text edit.